How to remove someone from Google Drive access. So first is to select a file that you want to change access. Then click these three dots or the ellipsis icon and select Share. So this prompt will appear after clicking Share. So if you want to remove access to a specific person, you should see them under People with Access. So to remove their access, just click this drop-down arrow button beside their email and select Remove Access. Now their email is gone. Or you could also change the settings to General Access, in which instead of choosing anyone with a link, we will select Restricted. Restricted means that only individuals that has given access to the file can open the file when given the link. Otherwise, individuals that do not have access, even though when given the link, won't be able to open the file. And so those are the ways on how to remove someone from Google Drive access. Thank you and have a great day.